Now we're going to look at aligning these three separate objects that you guys created. And I want you to see the difference between aligning the objects to the slide versus aligning the objects to themselves. So the first thing we're going to do, steps 1 and 2 here, we're going to drag the objects to the top, and then we're going to duplicate, the slide so that we can do one of the slide we're going to align to slide, the other slide we're going to align to each other. So go ahead, back to your PowerPoint and just drag these guys. Oof, why are they? Oh, sorry. Drag these guys. It doesn't matter like where. They don't have to be aligned perfectly. Just drag them like up toward the top of the slide. And then I want you to duplicate the slide. So all you're going to do, come over here. If you right click on this, you can just hit duplicate slide. If I could talk, that would be super impressive. So yeah, there's those steps. Now we are going to align the objects to the slide. We're going to distribute them horizontally, and then we're going to align to the middle of the slide so that all three of these objects should be aligned evenly right in the middle of the slide. So when you come to your PowerPoint, you only have 3 objects on the screen. So this is when I would just use Control A to select all of the objects. Here we go. And otherwise, you can use the hold down shift and select them. It takes a little bit longer of time, but whatever floats your boat. I'm going to go up to format. I'm going to come over here to align. So the first thing I want to make sure is checked is the align to slide. So I'm saying I want those objects to be aligned to the actual slide. So make sure that is checked. Once you check it, if it disappears, go back up to align. And now we're going to hit align middle, because that's vertically aligning. So we want our objects to be aligned to the middle of the slide. So as soon as we hit align middle, you'll see them jump to the middle of the slide. Now notice that they're not equally spaced out though on the middle of the slide. So we're going to go back up to align, make sure again that it still says align to slide, and now we're going to say just distribute horizontally. So we're telling them we want those 3 objects to be evenly spaced out on that slide horizontally. Some of you guys still struggle, some of you in my 7th period, remembering the difference between horizontal and vertical. If you think of the horizon, which is horizontal, you're looking left and right. So that means this way. Regardless, go ahead and hit distribute horizontally. And now you can see that your objects are evenly aligned in the center, both vertically and horizontally. Yay, done with that one. Go on to the next one.